Hello, I'm Soangi and I work as a therapist in Daffodils Child Development Center. Today, I'll be talking with all of you about learning difficulties. So, children learn many skills in their life without much effort like listening, speaking, reading, writing, etc. However, sometimes they may have considerable difficulty with certain skills as compared to their peers, even without any known medical problems or even after getting adequate exposure to learning experience. So in this case, it is important to notice the subtle signs and symptoms and talk to professionals to rule out the chance of a learning difficulty. But first, what is a learning difficulty? It is a term that is used to describe a range of learning and thinking differences that affects the way the brain uses, stores and retrieves information. So, learning difficulty can be an individual difficulty, for example related to either reading or math related, or sometimes it can be a part of another disorder like ADHD. So, what causes learning difficulty? There is no one single reason for this, but many a times children have parents or someone in their family with similar difficulties. Other factors also include low birth weight, prematurity, injury and illness during childhood. We have to remember one point, however. Learning people have anyway different rates of learning. So in case you do have doubts, it is important to talk to your child's teachers and accordingly take a step. So what are the various signs and symptoms of learning difficulty? In preschool children, they might show delays in language development. Usually by the age of 2.5 years, they are generally able to speak in short phrases. However, a child with learning difficulty might face considerable difficulty in this. Sometimes it is also possible that we might have trouble with understanding their speech. They might also have difficulty learning concepts such as colors, shapes, letters, numbers, etc. They might also have trouble with motor coordination like buttoning their shirt, tying their shoelace, balancing their body. They also sometimes have very short attention spans and can get easily frustrated and anger when trying to learn. For kids who are already going to school or for teens, it is possible that they might have difficulty following directions, understanding verbal commands. Trying to stay organized at home and school can be a big task for them. They have difficulty in remembering information, facts, reading, spelling, understanding words, being able to do math without issues, writing clearly, properly spacing out their numbers or their words, clean writing. Sometimes they might have issues with calculations, word problems, and they also might have difficulty in explaining themselves clearly to adults. So what are the types of learning difficulties? There are majorly 3 types. We have dyslexia that affects the reading and language related processing skills. So in this case, children might have difficulty in understanding words, in understanding comprehension, verbal instructions, reading. They might have substitutions. They sometimes can have phonological problems, difficulty attaching the sounds to the words. They might have substitutions like B can become D, P can become Q, etc. The second one is dyscalculia. This affects the person's ability to learn number and math facts. Over here, they might have difficulty representing numbers, processing word problems, impaired reasoning and understanding math symbols. Lastly, we have dysgraphia. This affects the person's writing and fine motor skills. They might have difficulty producing automatic handwriting. In a higher level, they might have difficulty in organizing and planning, etc. We will be talking about how parents can help manage their kids in case they have difficulty with learning and certain tips that can come handy in our next video. Thank you.